This is YouTube video update for July 2nd, 2016 for Antisocial Media. I did some research and I found out a lot of intriguing things about all these internet online glamour models. They all have one thing in common. They all have a criminal record. If you look in the right place, they all have a criminal record. I found out through a website, through mugshots.com, that what's her name? Oh, jeez. One of them has a criminal record for speeding in the car. I forget what her name is. I think it's either Jessica Kiley or someone else. One model. She's a car model. What's her name? Jalisi Ramirez. She got arrested 4 years ago for home invasion and assault. So they all have some kind of criminal record. So don't take them to, if you're one of those gullible audience members who worships them and think they could do no wrong. They got criminal records. They only do what they do so they can make themselves look innocent. So don't take everything that they say seriously. I also was on the phone yesterday with the FBI. I reported YouTube for child porn and criminal activity, such as stalking, showing rape videos, bestiality. Example, glamour model Jessica Marie has a video on YouTube of her doing sexual favors for a dog. Yeah, sexual acts to a dog. So these girls are no way innocent. So be very, very careful of them. They will deny all of this shit. But do your research before you take them seriously. You want to hear the actual conversation I actually did with the FBI? Here it is.
You have reached the Federal Bureau of Investigation's Major Case Contact Center.
For English, press 1. Para español, oprima 2.
Thank you for calling the FBI's Major Case Contact Center. The purpose of this line is to receive information regarding the FBI's major cases. For other law enforcement matters, please contact your local law enforcement agency or hang up and dial 911. Please listen carefully as our options may have changed. This call may be recorded or monitored.
If you have any information regarding the East Area Rapist, aka Golden State Killer, please press 1. If you have any information regarding the shooting at Pulse nightclub in Orlando, Florida, please press 2. If you have any information regarding the disappearance of Brittany Drexel in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina in 2009, please press 3. If you have any information related to suspicious activity directed towards the 2016 Republican National Convention, please press 4. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of fugitive Shanika Minor, please press 5. If you have any information regarding fugitive Leonard Rain Moses, please press 6. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Ronald Earl McCullough, please press 7. If you have any information regarding the homicide of Kay Porter Riggs, please press 8.
For additional cases and other inquiries, press 9. To repeat this menu, press the pound key.
If you have any information on top 10 most wanted fugitive, Yasser Abdel Said, please press 1.
If you have any information related to fugitive Luis Macedo, please press 2.
If you are calling regarding the individuals of interest featured on the FBI's Endangered Child Alert Program website, press 4.
To provide a crime tip to the FBI or to report suspicious activity, press 9. To repeat this menu, press the pound key. to return. One moment while I transfer you to the next available representative. This call may be recorded or monitored. Thank you for calling the FBI. How may I help you?
Yes, I have a curious question. It may sound like a serious matter, but I want to report it anyway. Who do I report the distribution of child pornography on YouTube?
I can take that information.
Okay, because I have the reason why I'm asking is because there's a lot of illegal activity going on YouTube at the moment, and I just wanted to know who to actually report it to. I mean, the crime, you name it, they have it on there. Just not enough people are actually reporting it, so I figured I'd do the good deed for today.
Okay, and may I ask your name, please?
Sure, first name is Russell.
Russell?
That is correct.
And your last name? And your telephone number, please?
516-764.
You see this video is on YouTube?
Yeah, there's a lot of them. I mean, like none of them are just an example. I don't actually view them. I see them as previews, and I'm sort of worried about how much more is on there. There's a lot of criminal activity on YouTube, and people on there, from what I've actually seen in previews, they're actually encouraging it. They're encouraging stalkers, rapings, distribution of child porn, murder. I've even seen scenarios where they're faking people's deaths and using false courthouse numbers.
Okay. So these are just preview videos that you've seen. Can you give me any specific titles of these videos?
Well, a lot of them, considering the thing is based on bots they get deleted randomly, but a lot of people are viewing it. Like, for example, there's a video on there I actually accidentally caught on there where there was a sex act in front of a 3-year-old child, and people were actually encouraging it, and so I just didn't want to go there anymore. And bestiality too, which is like beyond the Call of Duty. I tried to get the actual contact information for YouTube to notify them, but for some reason, everywhere I look, they either have just a regular email address that no one responds to, or they just have like a random number that doesn't even exist. I called one number, and it leads right directly to Google, so I have no idea how to actually contact them. So I figured I'd call you and report it.
Okay. All right. I can go ahead and get this information reported for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
That is the actual conversation. The only thing I took out was my phone number, because I, like everyone else, wouldn't want their phone number given out. Only for privacy, nothing else. But like I said, I actually haven't had I haven't seen any fights in anti-social media for about a week. Everyone has been pretty much educated and has had intelligent debates, not fighting. So it's pretty much been quiet. So there really is nothing much to tell with anti-social media this week. Fox News is still ignoring their audience members. They want to know what you think, but they will ignore your comments. There's really not much to tell in anti-social media this week, because it's been pretty quiet. And it's been pretty, like I said, quiet. Nothing really much to tell. I just wish that a couple of black cats would actually attack Facebook and Twitter, put them down for a month, give the government some competition, because there are way too many advertisements and way too much shit going on with criminal activity on anti-social media. It doesn't even have to be people fighting. It's other things. Distribution of porn, underage sex, the whole thing. So it's pretty stupid. I find it highly coincidental that you cannot contact Facebook or Twitter to report something. They have a contact us page on Twitter, but there is no contact information on them, which I find kind of ironic. But in any case, all these videos that are online with YouTube, they need to watch themselves because, like I said, I reported them for criminal activity. So YouTube is going to be investigated by the FBI for the next week, and I will be giving a YouTube video update for that next Saturday. But in any case, that's it for anti-social media. I will see you guys next week.